Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace windshield wipers on a GMC Terrain. First, ensure you have the correct size replacement wiper blades for your vehicle. Most GMC Terrains use 24-inch blades for the driver's side and 19-inch blades for the passenger's side. Also, grab a small towel to protect your windshield. Now, let's get started by lifting the wiper arm. Now that the wiper arm is lifted, it's time to remove the old blade. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the entire blade assembly downwards, away from the arm. It should detach with a gentle pull. Remember to keep a firm grip on the arm to prevent it from hitting the glass. With the old blade removed, let's install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This click indicates that the blade is securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to double-check the connection and ensure it won't come loose during operation. You're almost done. Carefully lower the wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Make sure it rests flat against the glass. If you're replacing both wipers, repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance to ensure they clear the windshield effectively and smoothly, providing clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.